It is compared to 350 cc, and it compared to maximum power 30.64 PS, and the torque is at 32.34 Nm, and the wheel base is at 14.85 mm. This is the 40-liter tank fuel capacity. It is manualometer, halogen light, and it is cruise by copper filling. And this is the middle socket, that is solar socket, and this is the wheelbase. It is the dual disc ABS, and the disc is carries by brake company. It is only 4-wheeler carry, and it is compact bike. It is good for long ride. It is easy to carry for long ride. It is to comfort to seat, and it also the benefit you have to easy to carry the second one seat easily for second person, and we also use the footrest. That person the footrest, and it is the disc brake. It is the disc plate. The disc company is Vibray company. It is the best company in the world. It is to only for disc, and it is the ABS. It is carry the anti-braking system. It compares the power brake, and this one is the radiator. This one is the radiator, and it carries coolant. This one is the coolant carry, and it is the air cooled and liquid cooled bike. Both of the bike is the air cooled and liquid cooled. In this bike we have to easily carry the both in one, two in one color, that is air cooled and liquid cooled. This is the only 10 liter, 1.50 liter the coolant carry, and it is easy to long ride without any hot ride engine. That's why. Thank you so much. That's it. This is the display. This is the display. We have to carry the engine meter, neutral meter, fuel meter, and it is ABS meter. It is the fuel meter and side stand. It is the engine off and on meter. First one, I will start this bike. We have to easily hear the sound of this bike. This is the switch for the on and off. This is the start button. This is the safe. You have to just put the safe. It is a dual disc. When we start the bike, when we open the side stand, the bike is automatically going to close when we open the stand, because this is the hardware the sensor in this bike. We have to easily carry it to safety of the person when we set this bike. This is the most features in this bike. We have to easily compact the long ride of the bike, and we have to easily carry the both 2 person and single person is also. This is the solo ride, which is compact ride in our solo, and this is the one with our second. Thank you.